Shini.
Tuesday is a holiday.
It's 26th January, na? We'll have lots of fun, ah?
No, Golu. I will sleep till late.
No, friends. We will go early and play.
Friends, why are you saying this? We have to hoist our flag in the society tomorrow.
Yes, I completely forgot. And after that, the laddus we get are really delicious.
Kids, shall I ask you a question? Is 26th January only to have fun and to hoist the flag?
Yes, uncle. We have a holiday, na?
Yes, son, that day is a holiday. But do you know why we celebrate 26th of January?
Yes, uncle. I know. Our constitution was framed on this day.
Uncle, what does that mean?
It means that rules and regulations were made so that everybody should live together in peace and everybody should progress. Like, nobody should harm or disturb anybody. Everybody should work honestly. Everybody should get work. And nobody should go hungry. Understand?
Uncle, we friends are always together and we help each other because we know that unity is power.
Meeta said, what do we do to celebrate this day?
26 January is symbolic for the magnificent parade by regiments of the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force, Police, NCC, BSF and our paramilitary forces. और उस परेड में जो कि राजपथ पर होती है, भारतीय सैनिक लेटेस्ट मिसाइल्स, एयरक्राफ्ट्स एंड वेपन्स को बहुत ही प्राउडली डिस्प्ले करते हैं, गिविंग दैट कॉन्फिडेंस टू द सिटीजंस ऑफ इंडिया दैट हेलो, all of you are safe in our hands. Our country's geographical boundaries are safe in the hands of the Indian Army. साथ में होती है भारत के सभी स्टेट्स की झांकियां और द टैब्लो representing the beauty of all states of India. That's how the country celebrates the Republic Day. And there is an awesome sky show by the Indian Air Force. And we also confer bravery awards like the Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra and the Veer Chakra on military personnel. These are awarded by the government of India. And children, on 26th January, we also have the National Bravery Awards for children under the age of 16. Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar. This Puraskar is given to children like you who have shown extreme bravery in the face of danger. क्या आप जानते हैं कि ये बाल वीरता पुरस्कार शुरू कैसे हुए? चलिए मैं बताती हूँ। एक बार की बात है, in 1957, Pandit Nehru was watching a performance at Delhi's Ram Leela ground at Red Fort, and suddenly a fire broke out in the Shamiana. और उस समय हरीश चंद्र नाम के एक वीर 14 वर्षीय बालक, a 14-year-old, he ripped open the burning tent with a knife and saved the lives of hundreds of people. Pandit Nehru was so impressed by this act of bravery that he prompted the Indian authorities to establish a bravery award for children. And that's how the ICCW, or the Indian Council for Child Welfare, started awarding the Children's Bravery Awards on 26th of January every year. And these children, They march proudly along with the soldiers and the state tableaus on the Rajpath.
Meeta understood everything about Republic Day and she was eager to celebrate that day with lot of enthusiasm. Children, Happy Republic Day to all of you. Be a good citizen, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye bye.